How to post photos on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on What's on Your Mind at the top. Then, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Photo/Video. Then if you want to select multiple, click on Select Multiple at the top right, then only select Pictures. After you have selected Pictures, press on Next at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you can choose Layout or simply post it Classic, then add caption at the top. Then click on Post at the top right corner of your screen and your photos will be posted on Facebook. This is how to post photos on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.